Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Nemo Money. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you trade or invest in crypto and NFTs or EFTs. So as you can see, we have it here on their website, and they claim on their website there that they are rated 4 point something out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, which is excellent. So as you can see, there's actually true here on Trustpilot. See that they're rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 124 reviews, which is great. So let's read some reviews here. Earning 6% AR on uninvested cash is a huge bonus. This app's design is clean, easy to navigate. After investing, I will not tell you to buy or sell. So that's 3 stars. Signing up was quicker than expected. The app does a good job at keeping things simple. Scammers, this person said that they're a scam. One thing that stood out to me is how smooth the user experience feels. Educational content was better than expected. Now take note, out of all these reviews, 5-star reviews here, they are only praising how the app works, and they do not say anything about the app being legit or having withdrawn money. So I would advise you to use this app with caution, guys, and do some more research about it if you're planning on using it. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.